why it set up recurring payment alerts.
This is the recurring charges can easily catch you off guard, leading to unexpected overdrafts or fees. By setting up alerts in Mint, you stay informed about upcoming payments, avoid surprises, and maintain better control over your budget. This feature is a simple way to track subscriptions, bills, and memberships, so you'll never miss another payment.
Getting started accessing Mint.
First, log into your Mint account through the app or website. If you haven't already, connect your bank and credit card accounts. This allows Mint to automatically track your spending, including recurring transactions. Ensure your financial accounts are synced to get accurate alerts and helpful insights from Mint.
Identifying recurring payments.
Navigate to the Bills and Subscriptions section. Mint reviews your transaction history and highlights recurring charges such as streaming services, utilities, or loan payments. Review the list to confirm which payments you want to track. You can manually mark or add any recurring charge that Mint doesn't automatically detect.
Setting up alerts for recurring charges.
To receive alerts, go to your settings and select notifications. Look for options related to bill reminders or upcoming payments. Enable notifications by email and in-app, so Mint will alert you ahead of due dates. These reminders help you prepare for upcoming charges and prevent late fees or missed payments.
Managing and customizing alerts.
You can customize alert settings to suit your needs. Choose how many days in advance you want to be notified, or select specific types of bills. If you stop a subscription, update your Mint alerts to avoid unnecessary notifications. Regularly reviewing your alerts helps you adapt quickly to changes in your recurring expenses.
Stay ahead of your finances.
By using Mint's recurring payment alerts, you take proactive steps toward financial stability. You'll avoid surprise fees, keep track of subscriptions, and make informed budgeting decisions. With just a few minutes of setup, you can stay organized and minimize the risk of missing important payments.